Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case I'm gonna go with Google Play Store. Now click on the power key and the volume down key at the same time. This should make a screenshot, and now on this pop-up there's a scroll down button. You can click on it until you're satisfied with the amount of your screenshot. We've reached the bottom. Now we can click on that pop-up to open a screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.